Hello, my dear fellow day traders. Welcome to 28th June 2019's pre-open analysis. Today, SGX Nifty is showing 17 points up move at the level of 11,909 levels. So that's because of a great swift up move in day before yesterday's session, and there was a continuation in yesterday's session as well. However, it gave up all the gains in the end. However, it did close a bit higher than whatever we were thinking of. It gave up all the gain, however, it made up for some of the losses as well in yesterday's session. So, what is the market showing us? What is the market defining for us in today's session? So, today is Friday, of course, many of them would be looking for getting the profits out if they are already in profits. Of course, the market has actually risen almost 200 to 300 points from the level of 11,600 levels till 11,909 levels in SGX Nifty. So that's pretty much a great move, almost 300 points move. So that's a great move. So there will be probably some profit booking as we saw in yesterday's session as well. So let us hope that we will have a good market in today's session, and which is a predictable market. Of course, when we predict well, that's when we'll make money out of it. Okay, so SGX Nifty is 17 points up, and US markets 10 points down on Dow Jones, 57 points up on Nasdaq, 11 points up on S&P. So that's a mixed market. So seeing the cues from S&P, that's the US markets and SGX Nifty. Indian markets will open in green in today's pre-open and continue to the open session as well. So yesterday was a bit of dampener. It actually went to the level of 11,900 levels. It Nifty futures tried crossing that. It held the level of 11,910, 11,912, and of course after some time where it actually could not take it more further, it actually gave up all of it. So it gave up all the gains. It came all the way down to the level of 11,836 levels, and 11,826 in turn is the lowest in yesterday's Nifty futures. So it came all the way down and afterwards went up to the level of 11,865, 11,880 levels. So that's one of the levels where I asked all my people who are following my live blogging to book the profits at the level of 11,885 levels. So that's because market had a very big level of resistance at that particular moment, and after that everyone knows what happened. It came all the way down. The market closed around the level of 11,842. So that's the reason I asked to book all the profits whatever we had actually taken the long position. It came down and afterwards it closed down as again in red. So that's the reason I asked to book the profits. Anyways, let's see what are the levels of profits and what are the levels of losses we can make by looking at the supports and resistances. With big supports, we have big moves on the upside. Big resistances means big moves on the downside. So we have to keep an eye on 11,900, which is a very, very, very strong resistance for the market as of now. Yesterday, market tried to sustain above it three times. It crossed the market. It crossed the 11,900 levels 3 to 5 times, and it could not sustain over there. It came all the way down, crashing. So that being said, 11,900 is the first level of resistance. Above that, the 11,926 level is a very strong resistance. 11,936, 11,952, and 11,986 levels, and 12,000 levels, 12,041 levels, and 12,096 to 12,100 levels are the levels of resistances we have to watch. And what are the supports we are looking for? The first level of support comes at 11,800, second is 11,771, third is at 11,750, that is 11,749 levels, and 11,720 levels, 11,716 levels, 11,700 levels. Of course, the level of 11,688, 11,672 levels, 11,650, 11,639 are the levels of support we have to watch out for. If that's also broken, 11,611, 11,600, 11,596 will be the levels of support we have to watch out for. So slow stochastic is denoting we are at 52, fast stochastic is at 57, denoting that we can go upwards or downwards from here onwards. We are not in the overbought zone or a oversold zone at this particular moment. And momentum, what is MACD suggesting? 22 and it's 35. We are about to see a crossover, which means that momentum is on the upside. That is what it is denoting. So that being said, that's the level of technical analysis I can provide you over here. So if you want more technical analysis knowledge, I have started live blogging, live technical analysis, live trades, which I will be suggesting, which I will be giving you the information about when to take it, when to sell it, just two targets where we'll give it, and we'll have stop loss, a strict stop loss, and we will also ask you to square off your trade at this particular level. Everything is spoon fed to you. So click on the first link in the description below to visit the live blog for today, and on a daily basis, whenever from Monday to Friday, there will be live blogging happening on a daily basis. So that link will be updated in the description. That's the first link in the description, and make around 700 to 1,500 rupees very easily by just following the live blog for the day. So that being said, if you want all this technical knowledge and more, if you want to learn all this for yourself, you will be taught 3 strategies plus 1 strategy, which is making you 50 to 100% on just 1 day basis. So that's just 1 day. All right, so having said that, if you like this video, for the information about the course, the workshop about Nifty intraday options trading, click on the second link in the description below, and you'll be taught 4 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies, guys. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.